Good morning, students. Chapter number 20. We complete the chapter number 19. Now we start the chapter number 20, transport. Transport mean of the carry passenger and the goods from one place to another place is the mean of the transportation play and the important role in the industrial and the agriculture development of a country as the blood arteries work in our body. Similarly, the mean of the transport are important for the development of a country. Like जिस तरह से मनुष्य के यानी ह्यूमन बॉडी को ज़िंदा रखने के लिए ब्लड की ज़रूरत होती है और ब्लड हमारी आर्टरीज़ के थ्रू पूरी बॉडी में मूव करता है, ठीक उसी प्रकार से किसी भी देश की इकोनॉमी को ज़िंदा रखने के लिए, उसकी सप्लाई को पूरा करने के लिए ट्रांसपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है और ट्रांसपोर्ट के द्वारा ही जो गुड्स हैं वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक पहुंचाई जाती है. The density and the modernization of transport system in the important indicator of the economic development of a country. India is a very vast country that has natural, economical, social and other diversity are found. Transport has the significant role in the binding the diversity into the unity. The agriculture and the industrial product reach the consumer through the transportation. So the classification of mean of transport. Now we discuss about the factor which affecting the development of transport system. India is the vast country where all the sort of the diversity are present. Mean of the transport, their density and the distribution in the controlled by the several factor. The factor affecting the transportation system are follow. Physical factor, more than the 15% of the rail route is in northern India. Kachi road are the mostly in the northern plain, while the Pakki road are in the plateau region, because the plateau region have the lot of stone, so there are the Pakki road. Cultural factor, have been the less development in the western desert. There is an area of the low population and habitation. In desert area, population are found very low, so the road development and transportation facilities are very short, low. Economic factor, the development of the transportation route is more in the area where the minerals and the industries are present in the evidence. Strategic factor, development is done for the safety for the border to meet the requirement of the soldier and the transport the military equipments. We failed to face the attack of the China in 1962 due to the lack of equipment or adequate mean of transportation. In China war, we lost that war because our soldier not get reinforcement and re-equipments. So we lost that war. So nowadays government built maximum road on border area. So in emergency time soldier get their requirement. Political factor, the government policy and the political will power. The purpose also have and the impact transport development. Now we discuss the mean of transportation, road First we discuss about the road transportation. The importance of the road transportation remained the important science ancient time in India. It is the backbone of the other mean of transportation, because every transportation gets supply from the road. If you want to travel by rail, you have to move your house to railway station by a road. The exhibition of the Mohenjo-daro and the Harappa present that there was the gravel road in the Indian even 5,000 to 8,000 years ago. Chandragupta Maurya constructed the road of the to connect the Patliputra to the northwestern frontier, that is the gravel road, and had the proper water drainage system. King Ashoka also expanded this road and reformed other national routes. Between the 400 to 300 BC, the internal trade was done through two routes in northern India that extend from the Patliputra to Kabul Sindh Valley in the 700 AD. The Chinese traveler Toysen and the maintained their main trade route between India to China. Shershah Suri built the Grand Trunk Road from Dhaka to Lahore via Banarasi, Agra, Delhi, reaching the river Sindhu. It is the branch extend from the Agra to Jodhpur, Agra to Indore, and Agra Lohar to Multan, and the Agra to Chittorgarh. Or that route nowadays divided in two main national highway, or that cross the Delhi, as name is the GT Karnal Road. Nowadays Shershah Suri built that road, name is in Delhi GT Karnal Road. The British government also built the road in the India, but after the arrival of the rail transportation, they have more importance to the development of rail transportation as the compared to the rail transportation. The development of the road transport has been at a first phase after the independence. Based on the available data of the total length of road was the 48.85 lakh kilometer in 2015, which compared to the 80% of the total transportation in the country. Important of the rail transportation, access to the home to consumer. Road transportation is available for to home. If you want to move Jaipur to Delhi on your relative home, you can start your journey to your home to your relative home. Parallels. Construction of road is possible to undwelling Triton, desert, and all type of the landform. Road transportation can be constructed on the plateau area, hilly area, and also plain area. Flexibility, passenger and goods can be boarded from any place. We can stop our vehicle on road any place and board the passenger and load. The facilities of the transportation of perishable goods help in the supplying milk, vegetable, fruits for the demanding area. The construction and the maintenance cost of the road is less than the other mean of transportation. Now, other is the ideal mean of transportation of short distance. Route is always suitable during war because bombard and ceiling cannot destroy the road routes, because if it destroy, we can also run our vehicle or destroyed road. The popular mean of transportation for all round development of rural India help in the development of a small to heavy industries. Type of the Indian roads. From the point of view, the use of the importance of road routes they can be divided in 5 types: national highway, state highway, district road, rural road, and border road. Now we discuss about the national highway. The construction and the maintenance of the national highway is under the control of the central government in 1950 to 51. Their length was the 19,700 km, which are the now the 1,475 km. They are the 293 to 223 national highway on the country. The length of the national highway is 1.7% of the total road length in country. These roads carry to the 40% of our traffic. Golden Quadrennial Project. Pradhan Mantri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a dream project that called the Golden Quadrennial Project. Image, it is India, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. 4 metro cities joined with this route, or its shape is quadrennial triangle, so it called the Golden Quadrennial Project. It is the one of the ambitious plan for the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, under which the 5,846 km long and 4 to 6 lane highway are included, which concept of the 4 metro city of the Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. After the construction, the time of distance of cost of the transport between metro city is great reduced. The other project is the north to south, Srinagar to Kanyakumari, Silchar in east to west, Porbandar, that called the north-south east-west corridor. The north-south east-west corridor aim to connect the long route of the 4,016 km from the Srinagar to Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari. East-west corridor aim to join the Silchar to Assam to Porbandar in Gujarat, 3,640 km long route. Boot, built, operate and transport. Due to the heavy pressure on the road route that indicate budget allotted to the road development, National Highway started built, operated and transportation boot project in private sector. Now the express highway, 5 express highway has been built in the country: Mumbai, Santa Cruz, Mumbai, Thane, Kolkata, Damdam and the Paradip's Sukhandi Khan region, Durgapura, Kolkata highway. Now we discuss the second, the state highway. The construction and the maintenance of these routes is done by the state government. These connect to the district headquarters to the state capital. These roads are the constructed to the national highway in 2010 to 11. The length of these roads were the 163.9 thousand kilometers. That was the 4% of the country total length of roads. District road is the constructed district headquarters with the other place in the district. Their total length is around the 4.7 lakh kilometers, which is the 40% of the country's total road length. Rural roads. The Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is the progress in the connecting the rural area of the country and town to the rural roads. Approximately 80% of the India total road are rural roads. Border road. In the 1960 border road organization was set up. The main object of the organization was the promoting the construction of the road in the border area. From the 1960 to the 2005, organization has completed the construction of the 40,415 km long road, in which the 35,577 km long route in the Pakka road. The border road organization has also constructed the world's highest road in Ladakh to Leh. We discuss in next video rail transportation.